You can park here. Oh, there's a dead dude.
Something's smelling.
Yeah, he's dead.
Yeah.
I wouldn't worry about it.
I don't know, unless you want to park out there in the sun. It's gonna be blazing, bro.
I don't have my gazebo here.
Yeah. I don't even have a hat here.
I reckon because it's also loose sand. Well, not loose. It's hard. It's not like the white sand.
So we can put the towel out to land and take it from there. or
Yeah,
something, you know,
yeah.
In that sense.
Have you ever?
I'm down.
Sweet. No, I'm keen wherever. As long as I get to fly.
Yeah.
That's
But
it.
I was just wondering because I haven't flown down here, so I didn't know if you had like a better
Yeah.
idea where you sit more. If you're okay with this, then
No, I'm
we've
easy,
got
dude.
shade for this.
As long as I get to fly, that's the main thing.